was a cold and windy day when a shadow crossed my path. Fleetingly, I saw his face. I looked across the sidewalk and there was a body on the ground. As I approached, I looked up to the tall building. Suddenly, from behind me, I heard footsteps approaching. Then, I was hit. Later, my eyes were becoming clear. I must have been out for a few hours. I looked around the room, stood up, and walked around this weird and empty room. It was cold. The room smelled disgusting. There was a creepy looking door with a little window and light coming through it, and tried to open it, but it was locked. I kept on walking around the room and saw myself in the mirror. I noticed that I had different clothes. In the last second, I was trying to figure out why I was here, and I realized that I was taken hostage by the Koreans because of the war, and the United States launched a nuclear bomb. Suddenly, I saw a flash. I looked outside and saw an explosion. In this moment, I knew we were all going to die. I felt it coming closer and closer, and